is MMEG, currently traded at 0046, up 206%. Originally brought over here on investorshangout.com/live well before it was up this high. I want to say that it was climbing in the 75% area at that time. So congratulations to who that was that brought this to us. MMEG, you would have found that much lower if you're watching our live stream over here on investorshangout.com. So what's going on right now? You guys are breaking through some resistance levels right now, literally sitting at them. Let me go ahead and rephrase that. We can bring this up a little bit higher if we really wanted to. You guys are bouncing off of that bottom right there. Zooming out, yes, it's going to make us a pretty good setup here. So after that, let me go ahead and see if I can draw another line. Be pretty high off.
Sorry to cut you off, David. They had a press release today. These guys. Let me just read the header to you real quick. It's Momentous Entertainment Group. It negotiates creditor settlement for Poolworks debt and closes on German social networks StudioViz and Menviz acquisition. So remember, this is when last time, months ago, when it was like, off to the races, and then there was like a holdup because there was creditors on the other end, that basically they had to, satisfy in order to have this acquisition go through. So they announced that it's going through, or the negotiates credit.
Well, why don't you? No, yeah, just keep going. Just keep going. I'm going to type up the analysis and then I'll explain it.
All right, cool. So today, Momentous Entertainment Group Incorporated, a diversified media company with a focus on technology that creates, produces, and distributes quality content across various media platforms, announced today that it has reached an agreement with Poolworks, major creditor, and executed a definitive agreement resulting in the completion of the acquisition of Poolworks Germany Ltd., one of the largest social media companies in Europe, with its social networks StudioViz and Menviz, for $10 million in preferred stock. The StudioViz platform was founded in 2005 in Berlin and received investment capital from Lucas Godowski, George von Holtzbrink Publishing Group, and the Samwer brothers. It was acquired along with Menviz by George von Holtzbrink Publishing Group in 2007 for 85 million euros, and then by financiers Michael Pope and Adam Levine in 2012. Today, StudyViz and Menviz has nearly 10 million registered users and over 40 million ad impressions, largely the German-speaking countries of Germany, Switzerland, and Austria. Momentous is committed to relaunching the Poolworks web and mobile platforms to increase user engagement and retention. Users will see expanded video features such as a new OTT streaming service and an easy-to-use e-commerce capabilities to attract a wider audience and additional revenues. The executive team at Momentous is committed to maintaining a strong focus on information security for its users, something that competing Germany social networks continue to neglect. Momentous CEO Kurt Neubauer stated, "Our management team was very concerned when we came to an understanding that gravity of the credit issues with Poolworks, but after a number of discussions and negotiations, Momentous management has reached a settlement agreement with the Poolworks creditor. We are very pleased that the creditor was willing to come to the table and negotiate a positive solution for the company and its shareholders." Mr. Neubauer also stated that this has allowed Momentous the ability to close on the acquisition and begin to advance Poolworks' social media system to enhance its users' experience by offering new features such as the streaming media services and other industry-leading product enhancements. So that's that. That's basically, this is what that holdup. So I mean, but it's saying it's for 10 million preferred stock. So this is where you want to go into the filings and look into, that. to see like what's going on. Yeah, I mean, are they a board? They're gonna have 10 million in preferred, so you should really look into how dedicated they will be to the company as well. But I mean, right now it's up what 200%, or you're looking at a
Yeah,
different.
it's 200%.
Drop down
You're
a little
correct.
bit. Okay.
Pulling up what you're when you explain it,
Oh.
I try to go over.
No, it dropped right at 200%. All right. Yeah, so I mean, go through the file and see what, read up on that information. Oh, it's actually not up yet. Like the filings towards this. I'll see if it's anywhere over on OTC markets right now too. MMEG. Oh, you can go through that chart, Dave. I'm just looking through this. I'll cut you off if I need to.
Okay, message board company profile, time and sales, recent news, filings, and financials, all available. What Joe just went over here on investorshangout.com. As always, the time and sales is a great tool that you could use to look through the time and sales and the size of each trade. Again, the message board, share your thoughts with tens of thousands of other investors just like yourself. Let's zoom into the chart now. Watch a resistance level. If you break this, it will move to 0097. You guys are having a hard time right now getting through that 0045 area. Evidently, you guys have seen that. Because of the fact that this is a new chart, it will make, or new and doesn't have much history, it will make big moves off this area, as you've seen over here. So will it pull back after this? It might pull back, but the potential long term here is if it breaks that 0045 and that buying continues, like it is right now, you make it through that 0045, 0097 will come pretty quick, in my opinion. Let's see if possible tomorrow or the next day, if buying continues, you will get to that level. Support at 0031. So you're going to have the decent set of support. It's going to be down there a little bit, obviously, right around that 0033, 31 area, right around there. Joe, did you have anything to add before that's it? Or
No, I went into the filings just to see if that was anything was updated, in regards to that actual deal. Nothing's there yet, so.
Okay, again, MMEG, if you follow this one, head over to investorshangout.com, and I definitely encourage you to subscribe to keep updated as we cover all the hottest stocks in the market. Hit that like button, share it as much as you can. And again, if you have any other stocks that you would like to see us go through, you can do so by heading over to investorshangout.com/live and drop us a note there, and we will cover your hot stock in live time.